Here's a mistake in React that although it looks super simple and super basic, you would actually be surprised how many junior developers end up making it. So the mistake has to do with our beloved useEffect, right? I'm sure that you can let me know in the comments just how much you love useEffect from React. And it has to do with this object over here that we named some dependency, right? Now, I hope that you can see that the code that we have here is actually going to lead to an infinite loop of useEffect running constantly over and over again. Now, here's the problem. A lot of junior developers will opt to solve this problem by wrapping the dependency in a useMemo and providing an empty dependency array. Or if you're using the React compiler, this will actually do it automatically for you, and you would actually be oblivious to the mistake. This is wrong because this is not the correct mental model to think about working with useEffect and its dependencies. The thing is, with this approach, you're actually trying to fix the symptom instead of going to the cause and fixing that. You shouldn't wrap everything with useMemo in your component or let the React compiler do it. The first question that you should ask yourself is, where is this dependency actually needed? Because in our case, if you look at this very simple component, there's actually only one place that we need the dependency, and that is inside of this useEffect. We don't need it anywhere else. And so it doesn't really make sense for us to put this dependency inside of the component itself. It belongs in the useEffect. And so the solution is actually to take the dependency, we can remove the useMemo, we can take it as a whole, and we can just put it directly inside of the useEffect and then console log it, and then we can remove it from the dependency array of useEffect. Right? Because the useEffect hook is used for side effects as a response to dependencies changing, right? And so you have to be really smart about how you manage those dependencies. You shouldn't litter your component with dependencies and pass them all to useEffect when you don't need to.